Hey you guys, if you're new, hi, I'm Donnamy, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today, I'm just going to jump right into this video. I'm not going to do like an intro like I usually do, but today I'm going to be doing something different, and it's going to be a BOXYCHARM unboxing. But I'm also going to try on the products as I unbox it. So if you want to see what I got in this month's box, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It's very simple and cute. Has a little heart on it, and it says hello charmers. The first thing in the box is this card, and it's just an information card. It also has a coupon on the back for one of the products in the box from that brand, and it's called Sol de Janeiro, and the code is BOXY2018. Yes, BOXY2018. So if you're interested in any of their products after watching this video, just go ahead and use that code. Anyone can use it. So moving on, this is what the card looks like. And it has this is the Caribbean Queen box, and it has pictures of some of the models for this month's box right here wearing the products. So the information card has information on each product that's in the box. I'm just going to go ahead and see what's first up in the box and just go from there. So first up is this Luxie brush set. There are 3 brushes, as you can see right here. Okay, one of them is a duo fiber powder brush, which is this one. Then there's the precision foundation brush. I actually have this one, the purple version of it, and I use it all the time. You can see in my past videos I use it. And there's a tapered highlighter brush as well. They're really soft. I really love Luxie brushes. I've been getting them for a while in Ipsy boxes, not necessarily in BOXYCHARM, because this is my first box that I've gotten. So I'm really excited that I did get these in my first box. But I'm going to go ahead and use this precision foundation brush, and I'm going to take some of my RCMA no color powder, and I just have a little bit poured in the lid, and I'm just going to set under my eyes because I already put on foundation and concealer and my brows. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that to set under my eyes. And I'm also going to use this to set anywhere else that I did apply concealer. I did add a little bit of powder before under my eyes just to make it where it wouldn't crease, but now I'm just going to set everything else. And I also prime my eyelids with concealer, so I'm setting that as well. And next we have this duo fiber powder brush, and this is what it looks like. It has a pretty nice shape. It looks like it'd be really good for contouring or bronzing. I really don't know what else I would use this for other than bronzer or cream contour. So that's what I'm going to use it for, is bronzer. And I'm just going to take my Cheap Parade palette from Benefit and a little bit of Hoola bronzer. I'm just going to take a little bit on the brush, and I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face up just a tad. This isn't giving me like a ton of pigment at a time, which is fine with face products for me because honestly, I'm okay with building up coverage instead of having like a harsh line on my face that I have to continuously blend out to get it perfect. This would actually be a good trick for someone who is new to bronzing and contouring, is getting one of these brushes and using them to build up the product instead of just going in with a brush. Let's say, like, if I use this brush, it's a lot more dense, and this one's a little fluffier, and it's very precise, so it'd be easier to apply bronzer. The next brush is this Luxie tapered highlighter brush. So I'm actually going to hold off on this because there's another product in this box that I'm probably going to use this for. So the next product in the box that we're going to use is something I'm very excited about. It's the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 1 palette. I'm very excited about this. This is a Cuban-owned brand by, you may know her by Gabby T MUA. She's good friends with Kathleen Lights, and that's how I found her. She's really amazing makeup artist. This is what it looks like. It's stunning, and you can see all the names are in Spanish, and I think that's really cool. I think I'm going to stick to more of this brown shade, this shade, and probably this shade out of the palette. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed this part up and just show you what I'm doing. You can just see what I'm doing on my eyes, and I'm just going to use a few brushes of my own since it didn't come with any eyeshadow brushes in the box. I'm just going to apply this on my lid. That's amazing. Now that I'm done with the eyeshadow look, I'm going to move on to the next thing in the box, which is this eyeliner from Jonteblu, and it's in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm just going to use this to line my upper and lower lash line. Okay, so I already applied mascara after I finished the eye look, but now I'm excited for the next part of the box because it's a pair of Battington lashes. I've never heard of this brand until I got this box, but I really think this is the cutest packaging ever. And they look really pretty. They're soft, and they're called the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these, and I will be right back. These lashes are beautiful. I only have one on right now, if you can't tell. But, wow, that was a lot easier to apply than a lot of the other lashes I've used before. And I really like how it's tapered. So, like, the outer and inner corners are shorter than the middle. I'm just going to go ahead and apply the other one, and I'll be right back. And this is what the lashes look like with the eye look. And I really like it. It's not too dramatic, but I feel like it complements this eyeshadow really well. I'm really loving this blue though, honestly. It's my favorite. Okay, but now moving on to the next thing in the box. It's this lipstick from Ofra Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Verona, and I found out that this is actually a brand new shade, which I haven't tried their liquid lipsticks before. So I've never tried this formula, and I'm very excited about it, and this color is very pretty. So that's what I'm about to apply, and then we'll move on to the last thing in the box. Okay, the last product in the box is from a brand called Sol de Janeiro, and the product is called the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which is a body cream, and I've heard that it smells really amazing, so I'm excited to try it. Yeah, that smells so good. So actually, I'm going to just apply a little bit of this on my shoulders, because I'm actually going to go back into that palette, the eyeshadow palette that we used, and I'm going to use one of the shades as my highlighter today with that highlighting brush, I didn't forget. And it's the Luxie 552 tapered highlighter brush. And I'm going to take the shade La Costa with this brush. I'm going to apply it to my face and to the places on my body where I just applied that Bum Bum Cream. Wow, that is beautiful. Wow. As you can see, this just gives a little glow to the skin. Okay, so now that we've tried all the products out, I just want to show you what each product costs and the cost of the whole box in general. The box is $21 a month, which is really good considering you get 4 to 5, well this month we got 6 full-size makeup products. And this isn't a full size, but most of the products in BOXYCHARM are full size. So first is the Reina del Caribe palette, and this one is $28. So that's already more than the box itself. And then the Battington lashes that I have on right now, these are $28 as well. So, wow, those are expensive, but they cost the same as this palette, and they're both more than this box already. This is $10. The eyeliner is $5, and the 3 brushes are $42. Just that whole set is $42, and that is a lot more than this box. And last but not least, the Ofra lipstick is $21. So I think this is a really great box this month, and I'm really excited to see what I get next month. As you can tell, this is already over $100 that you only get for $21. So if you're interested in BOXYCHARM, I think it is a great way to try it out. And if you want this month's box, there is no wait list right now, and you can sign up and get this month's box if you hurry and sign up now. I'm pretty sure that you can get it until the next month starts. Like if you got it on the last day of June, you'd get the June box. If you got it on the first day of July, you'd get the July box. So if you want to sign up, I will leave a referral code down in the description box. I don't have anything else to say other than I really love this box, and I love how it turned out on me, And if you enjoyed it too, make sure to like and comment and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to see whenever I upload new videos. I plan on doing Ipsy unboxings as well, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!